listening or not listening? Sorry, I've been practicing teachers.
Ma'am, namaskaram. I'm Pragati this side.
Yes,
Actually, I'm
Pragati.
driving, so my video is off. I think we would require help in terms of lesson planning and how to deliver as per the requirement of the students or the curriculum that they are following. I mean, at
One
least
minute.
from my side, that request is there.
Lesson is already planned. Lata madam has already done it for you and given, I think.
Yes,
Grade 1 and 2.
I have
and
put
4.
the links of the lesson plan in the this thing,
Yeah.
WhatsApp group, and I think you all would have all
Okay.
gone through it.
The lesson planning is already done, but she can't be doing the hand holding every time. I see your point of view. So you need to be in a position to plan your lessons yourself according to need.
Okay.
So what I can do is I can give you a kind of an integrated overview. Even the NEP talks about integrated lesson planning. I can give you an overview of how we need to do that.
That's great. In terms of, okay, if the lesson plan is there, in terms of maybe the delivery, from your point of view, how it is going to happen?
Delivery in the
Like
sense
how we
delivery.
have to deliver, I mean, are there any guidelines in terms of delivery? Because otherwise every person will have their own different style. Is there any guideline that we have to adhere to?
1 minute, Lata madam wants to say something.
Yes, 1 minute. See, the lesson plan is already there with a proper guideline in it. If you want,
Okay.
I can just share for you one sample lesson plan for you all to see if you all have not gone through. Because unless and until you see the lesson plan, she will not be able to guide you. What say, ma'am? Shall I share?
Yeah, because I don't know them at all, you see. And you're not doing a BEd college, BEd training. So I don't have to go through the whole syllabus.
Yes. 1 minute. Just. Rupa ma'am, do you have it shared? Then I will give you the. Rupa, if you have it, I will just give you the share option for you.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll just take it from my inbox. You all have it. In fact, everyone, you've shared that whole.
Yes.
I was going through it just a little while ago.
Yeah. Maybe we can just take one topic, say animals or the one which we are ready with.
Yes,
I
I
thought the
have
body.
got it open.
Body part was also good.
Yeah, body parts. Okay. Yeah. So I'm opening it on Word. All right. So I'm displaying it now. How do I
To share it, I've given you the share option.
This is my Zoom option.
Zoom is so much easier than Google Meet. I swear.
Yeah.
This is Zoom. If you want, I can share it then if you are finding it a problem. Yes, I think I have also. I can also open it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I try?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you doing it or you want me to try?
Oh, no, you do it. You're ready with it?
I'm not ready. Okay. I thought you needed help.
Yeah. Share it on the screen. Displayed it, but it's not showing here. Share.
Yeah, I have got it open. I'll just do it. Not an issue.
All right.
Okay, while this struggle with the lesson plan is going on, just let me know. There you are.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is our lesson plan of body parts. We have for class 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. And we have got a set of documents that will be given. And over here, the teaching aids that you require for the lesson plan. The total activity will consist of introduction. Then we have some flashcards which we will be using. Then the topic related to math, science, English, physical, health and hygiene, and a recap and closure. This is the brief of how we will be taking it through. And how do you introduce the topic to the children? What are the warm-up activities that you can do? Then how do you identify the body parts? For that, how do you use a flashcard? If it is not a flashcard, you yourself can think of any ideas how you can do it, and how do you encourage the students in their lesson. Then physical activities, what are the various physical activities, and how do you identify the different body parts and ask them. For maths, how do you do? For example, you say 2 eyes, 10 fingers. So it is something related to maths. And in the end, we have our vocabulary readiness also. So we try to tell them hands means they find out new words, new alphabets, and you have various questions for what you will use for various activities. For example, for brushing your teeth, you use your hands. So these are the various ways in which. Then we have some music and movements where we have put some
Forms.
yeah, some of these, and then both in Hindi as well as in English. These have been taken from our NEP curriculum. And after that, you have some physical for earlier ages, elder ages from 5 to 7. Then in the end, we have a recap and closing. Now, this total lesson plan need not be done in 45 minutes or 10 minutes or something like that. It has to span over various classes. It may be 5 classes or 10 classes, depending upon your capacity and also the capacity of the center
Children.
teacher that you will be allotted. Not necessarily, most of the center teachers are from the real rural areas where they will be knowing Hindi more, but you try to converse with them in English also. And they may not be having the, flashcards and all we have given to them. So all the flashcards which we mention in our lesson plans, they already have it. If we are having some physical activity, all the agility kits, they have it. Unless and otherwise, we have to tell them that you prepare yourself for the next class with this. These are the items that you have to prepare for. And that is how you have to take this forward. So I think I am clear with the lesson plan now. Over to you, Pramila ma'am.
Yeah, the thing that they probably wonder why you're bringing in maths and English and science along with science. NEP wants no teaching to be done in isolation. They call it silo. No teaching to be done in silo. It should be an integrated lesson. When it is integrated, understanding is better. So that is why we've planned this integrated module. Now, what I can do is, I can take you through any one topic of integration so you understand how it is done. So every time then Lata madam doesn't need to make a lesson plan. You will be able to do it yourself and submit it to her or to me for correction. Because when you are in the class and when you make the lesson plan, that goes better than somebody outside making it for you. So shall I take you through an integrated lesson in one of the sessions?
Yes, ma'am, that would be great.
Okay, so that is done. What else do you need?
We also need to add assessment, I think.
Yeah.
Miss Lata.
Yeah. Ma'am, we
Meant
would
at the end.
Yeah.
Now we need to have some formative assessment.
Yes.
Yeah.
NEP does not want assessment as a unit test or something like that.
No.
We need to run some assessments. We need to think of some nice, fun way of having it.
Yeah.
It cannot be a MCQ every time. So we need to see
Can you hear her?
Her voice is breaking.
Ma'am, your voice
Yeah,
is
maybe net issue.
Yeah. And
She was frozen, I think.
I got disconnected and
Yeah.
yeah. So I will do this integration part. What else do you need?
The assessment we said, ma'am.
Assessment. Yes, assessment. I'll have to do some reading on assessment. So we'll first do the integration and then we'll do the assessment. Okay.
One query
Anything?
is
Yeah.
when you are teaching the children, and we have various activities as well, and at the same time we have some worksheets which we will help them to understand that they are understanding that lesson or whatever the subject matter is. Do we consider that itself as an assessment? Or
Yes.
we have to take it later on?
See, now we are looking at a qualitative way of observing children and assessing them. So when you have given an activity, if they're singing the song, when I'm happy and I know it, clap your hands, or whatever, put your hand, put your leg forward, whatever. The child is able to respond with the body parts when he's singing. That is a 1+ thing for the child. So that assessment part, exactly how you make that, that is something which I need to spend a little time on. Because it's not an assessment as an assessment, but you're observing and you're taking the assessment. And then the teachers want to give a test, it's up to them. But this is how we are doing it. So everybody is able to get the right kind of feedback. The child is able to read well. The child is able to read with proper diction, with proper punctuation and proper pauses. The child needs time to read with the proper pauses. The child is unable to, the child needs time to pronounce the words. This is how you do the assessment. I'll talk about the rubrics.
Yeah.
Have you heard of the rubric? Yeah.
Yes. We can also, prior knowledge testing can be done using formal and informal assessment. So before we begin a lesson about any topic, we test their, prior knowledge by using, like you mentioned, a fun activity and a fun way of testing. They're not understanding it's a testing, but we are understanding how much they know.
Yes.
The prior knowledge is important.
That is KWL,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
It doesn't necessarily have to be KWL.
Just a simple way of
that's
assessing
fine.
them.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I'm glad you know about KWL. There is one more, which I've mentioned in my book, beyond KWL. Anyway, so these are two things. I think that's good enough for starters. Let's do the integration part, and then I will go to the assessment. Okay?
Okay.
Anything else that you want me to keep at the back of my mind? How much of experience do you have as teachers? We are all teachers, right? Working teachers, right?
Right.
Yes.
Everybody is okay. So that solves half the problem.
Yeah.
So all in the primary?
Primary and middle.
No, second. I'm not a primary teacher.
You are a teacher in which level? Yeah.
I was teaching for the secondary. 7th to 9th, 10th.
Okay.
Second.
Yeah. What about you?
But in the NGO, I used to teach the smaller children, where I was working now for a year. So there I used to teach all children. So
I see.
one thing.
There are
I'm not
few
trained.
teachers,
Yeah.
there are few teachers from Dubai. Can you just UAE? Who are the ones? I also don't know.
Darshana Diji.
Ma'am, I'm Pragati this side. I'm from Dubai, and Lavanya is there, and I think Meena is there. 3 of us are there, but none of us are working teachers. We are, I guess we are not teaching. We are
That's
stay at
okay,
home,
but you were teaching some time.
but we have taught our children. So that's the experience.
Oh my God, that's the
That's the biggest validation, and they're doing good.
biggest validation. That's right. Biggest validation. If you can get your children to learn from you.
Yeah. Yeah, hello,
Yes.
ma'am. My
They're
name is
already
Sharda.
teaching us, no, ma'am, these
Yeah.
days. They're already teaching us these days.
Oh, yes.
Hello.
Sharda, yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, my name is Sharda. Yeah, so I recently shifted to Singapore. So till
Uh-huh.
last year, I was working for an NGO called Vidya, and we were doing adult literacy. So I was basically teaching spoken English to all the mothers of the mothers of one school, one primary and secondary school. So the school was basically a Marathi and Hindi medium. So we were teaching spoken English to the mothers so that they can help out their children.
I think we could think of this, Lata. We could include spoken English. We
Yeah.
have spoken.
Yes.
And and those mothers were really delighted actually. I mean, I cannot tell you the response that I got.
I can
Yeah, they
imagine.
were,
And
yeah.
when I was working, I had started English speaking classes for my housekeeping.
Yeah, we already have another branch called English on Call, where we
I
teach
see.
spoken English. Yes.
In English.
Yeah, yeah. We already have that.
So Sharda has got a way out now.
Yeah. Yeah, that is those mothers would take so much pride, because they could talk a few sentences in front of their children. That would really make them, very happy. And they would,
The British are gone, but we have lost our interest in our vernacular, and we
Yeah.
think English is the best.
Very true. Very true.
So, well, it's here to stay. Nothing wrong in it, because it's giving us a world view. But
Yeah.
at the same
Ma'am,
time, I don't
be
think
for
we need.
primary or secondary? This particular teaching for rural schools.
This will be primary. Primary.
Primary.
So it's okay if I don't have experience to teach primary. It's okay. I
It's
can.
okay.
It's all
All
Because
is,
the teaching is the same.
all is
It's
learning
fun.
process. For that matter,
Okay.
I am neither a teacher I just make lesson plans.
Okay.
No, it's all in our what shall I say? It depends on how we deal with it.
Yes, our passion.
Yeah, that's
You
true,
may
that's
be. There was one quote which I don't remember fully, but I'll tell you the gist of it. There was this gentleman. You have heard of? Anyway, never mind. This particular person says, "Oh, I met that professor who is experienced. 20 years of experience he has." So another professor says, "You mean he has been teaching the same thing for 20 years?
That's true. That's true.
Yeah,
He
very
has
true.
He has
That's
not
what made
grown."
me perfect.
Yeah.
So one needs to grow. For that, you need a growth mindset and the willingness to learn. You have the willingness to learn and you have the willingness to put it forward, implement it, job is done.
Yeah.
That's all that matters. And
And what tools
Connect
should
with
we be using for these? No? How to
Sorry?
teach online? I've never done it. I've never done an online teaching, so I don't know what tools do we use and how do you manage?
okay,
You know,
what rules
that is
we
one thing
use? One of the things that you could think of is keep your videos on, because I
Okay.
want to see you.
I have kept my video. I've kept my video on.
Well, there are still some blanks, but I'm talking to a blank video. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
hi.
talking to a blank video. That doesn't make you relate to the person. That doesn't bring in a connection.
Yeah, right.
So
Yeah,
when there is
understood.
I
a
kept my
video, you can,
video on. I have kept my video on.
yeah. So that makes a difference. I had joked with my 10th standard children. When we have the class, they normally used to keep the videos off because they're lying down, eating, I don't know what they're doing. And they planned a Teachers' Day program for us, the 10th standards. And I told him, I said, now we have to give you the same respect that you gave us throughout the year. And we're going to keep the videos off. We are going to keep the videos on the blink for the next 15 minutes. No, you can't do that. Why? You gave us the treatment and we are giving you back the same treatment with respect.
Yeah,
No,
very true.
don't do that again and things like that. So because talking to a blank screen is not the same as looking at the videos. And secondly,
Yeah.
tell them, when I have the share screen, I can't see you. So if you're going to put your hand up or say, miss, I won't be able to see you. So children, put it in the chat. After I finish, I will answer you. Because when I have a share screen, I can't see you. It's not that I don't want to answer you, but I can't see. So some of these things you can, and these are children who will listen to you, not coming from well-to-do families where the parents are hovering around like a helicopter. I call them helicopter parents. They hover around the children and find faults with the teacher. So that doesn't happen.
Yeah. So, ma'am, one question. So, when the lesson is on, so the rural teacher will also be there and the students will also be there.
No,
That's
maybe,
Lata madam.
So,
maybe the students may not be there or may be there. See, sometimes what happens is when the teacher is having her class itself, she would like to learn from you. Then it is like you are teaching her and then telling her immediately, you teach the children, I'll see.
yeah. Okay. Understood.
Another way is the teacher may, most of the teachers will not have a TV or a screen or a laptop or a tab or anything. They'll have their own mobile and they will be taking lessons from the mobile itself. So when you are going to tell her teaching the class, she will keep the mobile at a distance and teach so that you can see both. That is what we have.
Okay.
So those rules and all we can discuss later when you all are allotted. That will be a separate orientation on that for you all to understand your center and your people, how we take that ahead. As of now, we can, upskill ourselves as to even if a child is a novice or if a teacher is a novice, how will we train her? That is what I want basically. Because most of these rural teachers, they know, but they are not creative like us. They don't have the, tools like us.
The exposure. That's all. I'm sure they
tools also. That is why when we make a lesson plan, we see to it that we use bare minimum tools like newspaper or this thing, chart paper, something there is which they will get it on their daily basis.
Okay. So this screen sharing and all will not work for them, right? So we'll have to literally show things to them.
No, screen sharing also helps.
It helps? Okay.
Lot of worksheets and all has been done via screen sharing, and it saves a lot of time. Initially, I was not tech savvy, so I used to post the worksheets in WhatsApp. I had created a group of students. I used to share all the worksheet in the this thing, and then they used to refer the WhatsApp and again come back to Zoom or Google Meet, whichever media, and then they should reply the answers, post the answers. I used to again go to see the WhatsApp and find out the answers and rectify their mistakes. It went on for a few days. Then later on, I got to know how to share link. That helped a lot. It saved a lot of time, and it was a lot of there are a lot of interactions rather through this screen share.
So they use the link and Google link. They use the Google link and do the Google.
Yeah. It was very easy. They also understood, and I also understood. It was a good way of teaching.
Okay.
Thanks, we should have a session before we start, the teacher training. We should have somebody who's very savvy in computer to show to most of the teachers, how to screen share using picture-in-picture or direct presentation where you can see the children as well as show the screen. So these things are important. I'm sure so many of us, need that. We are not so set.
Yeah, like because we have done offline teaching, like she rightly said, online is a very different experience. Even
Absolutely.
But for online teaching, what I felt is we need to be, very systematic, and all things should be handy so that we don't waste time. Whereas offline teaching, around say we can take from the cupboard book, etc. So online teaching, I felt is much more easy to teach. Yeah, time saving also.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah, and now, ma'am, what will be the days of your training and what is the time? If we can discuss on that. So all of them can be made available.
My entire Kundali is on my MacBook.
I like the term Kundali.
Because I have to use Google Meet in my next class, and MacBook and Google Meet don't go together. Today is 18th, no?
18.
Yeah.
19. First hour of class. What time suits you? This time or around this time only?
Yeah, this time is good.
You mentioned 23rd and 24th.
22nd I am busy.
You mentioned 23rd, 24th.
24th I had mentioned. 23rd, 24th. Those 2 days are still available. I have blocked them. So shall we take it on the 23rd?
23rd and 24th.
23rd we will decide whether you need to do it for the 24th or whether you will do the lesson planning or whatever and show it to me.
That is Thursday, Friday, right? Coming Thursday, Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it possible for 24th, 25th, ma'am? If you don't mind.
I'm not available on Saturdays because I have another class.
Okay.
Okay, I'll miss 23rd in that case. 24th I will attend.
No, we'll keep it on the 24th only. 24th, everybody is okay. We'll keep it on the 24th.
We'll start with 24th then.
Fine.
Sorry?
We'll start with 24th and then we'll take ahead next class.
24th we will do it.
Okay.
Okay.
And on 24th we will decide when the next class has to be. I think that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Timing?
Long-term planning sometimes doesn't help.
How long will be the session? 24?
24th.
How long?
What time?
Yeah. 3 o'clock, na?
3 o'clock is
3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Maybe 1.5 hours at the most.
Okay.
Okay.
1 hour we'll take it. 1 hour we'll take it because I'll give you an overview of what is an integrated lesson and how to plan it. You can take topics of your own. If you want, we can have a Google Meet. I mean, if we can have a breakout room, sit there and discuss, or we can discuss like this. If it's a small group, we can discuss on a one-on-one like this.
Textbooks are given.
And
Will they be there?
then you can sit down, make it, pick one plan, pick plan. So thereafter, you'll be able to make your own plans. Lata madam doesn't have to make the plans for all.
we already made some.
Yeah. We have, I think we have made around 5 or 6.
5, 6, yeah, 6.
Okay. Empowerment.
Yes. We
That's
can
what it is.
add to that. The lesson
Yeah,
plan.
they can tweak it and
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we'll start with the integration and then go on to assessment. Yeah. Yeah, you were saying something? Yeah.
Textbooks will be available about of these subjects, whatever your one of the classes which we are teaching.
I wouldn't know.
It is not a textbook. See, we are just taking the main topics like water, body parts, which will be taken anyways in all the class. Wherever child is, whichever school is, they have to teach all. It is, they cannot miss
Yeah,
all.
like seasons and yeah.
See,
So
when I was a principal in one of the schools, my primary did not have a textbook.
Okay.
We just had something like, we would use this. In Bombay? You're from Bombay, right?
Yeah.
See, so we started this. We started like this, and we went on. We learned about things, and then moved slowly to the other parts. So integration is always the best way to teach. NEP is talking about it, and we had done it. I'd done it, I think, in 2014. 14 or 15.
This
So,
meeting will end.
it doesn't
in 2
matter.
minutes. This meeting will end in 2 minutes.
Sorry?
This meeting, ma'am, will end in 2 minutes.
Okay. So for now,
Let's
Friday
stop.
3 p.m. is fixed, right?
Yeah.
Yes, 24th, 3 p.m.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's end it before it throws us out.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I'll
Yeah,
see you
okay.
then. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you all
Pramila
for
ma'am. Thank you.
joining.
Thank
And
you.
It's been a really pleasure to see you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Lata. Thank you, Pramila ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
It was fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.